Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 9th of May 2022, and it's finally nice outside where I am. Taking a look here at Cardano, we're going to be doing some multiple time frame Ichimoku analysis. We're looking at the 3-week chart. One of the nice things I like about this chart, where it's at and where it is in the 3-week chart relative to the Ichimoku cloud, is that there's a Kumo twist that shows up in between the current 3-week candle and the next 3-week candle. And that tells us that there's a turn in the market coming up, especially if something's been trending into the Kumo twist. So basically what I'm saying is anywhere between now and the end of the month, there's a high probability that we start to see a new uptrend begin for Cardano. Additionally, in the custom oscillator here, it's at all-time lows and very much poised to see a nice bounce. On the weekly chart, the RSI has shifted back into bear market territory. There we go. But overall, from a long-term perspective, things look pretty good still. There's not a ton of reason to... There we go. There we go. There's an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout that's occurred on the weekly chart, but otherwise, structure-wise, it's into that range where we could see it bounce up. From a volume profile perspective, I don't have it up. I think it's on the daily chart. Let me look here. Yeah, on the daily chart, you'll notice that I'll come back to that daily, but, well, actually, I'll just go to it now because that's what's most important. So it's hit new 2022 lows, and it's kind of bouncing right off of the kind of final high volume node that exists before it goes down to that 35-cent range. Now, the 2021 volume point of control is right down here. That's right on the 886 at 100% fib extension. Beginning of that fib retracement, rather. It is the 2021 volume point of control. Below 62 cents, it's pretty much no man's land. It has a big drop up in front of it. But look at the volume going on in the daily here, and actually just look at the trend of the volume going back to the last week of April. It's slowly been moving up. And this is one of those things in technical analysis where, it's like one of the first things you learn is that the behavior that we see is it's called volume precedes price, meaning if volume goes up and if prices are down, eventually the prices are going to move up. So as volume rises, prices will go back up as well. And we're seeing a ton of volume come into this market right now across the board. Even when you look at it on the intraday trading on a Monday, it's fairly high compared to what it has been in the past. So Cardano, if it does pop up here, if we do get a relief rally, probably limited to that $1 range. There's a ton of Ichimoku resistance on the daily chart up there, as well as a prior dominant trend angle and the 2022 volume point of control, which is at 105. Downside risks, yeah, they still exist, but they should be limited at the extreme to that 40-cent range. But we'll look at it as needed and update it as needed. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.